Election is not our concern.
Yes.
But that is
All the responses of the petitioner is agreed by. They are non-selection in a recruitment process undertaken by the respondent BTC authorities for election of 420 number of secretaries for village council development committees within bracket VCDCs under Panchayat and Rural Development Department, BTC. Post of the petition's grievance is that the respondent authorities have only published the roll numbers of the selected candidates without on 17/8/2025 without disclosing the cutoff marks of the last selected candidate, the marks secured by the selected candidates from different categories, etc. Issue notice returnable on so and so date, as Mr. Nayak has appeared and accepted notice. No formal notice, extra copies, working this. Same